Okay, we've got our Dyson V10, I think, or V11 in pieces. And again, it's because of the trigger. So I'm going to try to JB weld this trigger back together because clearly buying another plastic piece here is not really going to help. So let's give it a shot and see what we can do. So we have JB welded the weak part, and it's right in here portion on the right side, and then also just covered it in some more just in case there's another weak part. So we might put 2 coats on this, but I imagine since I only want to do this once, I might put 2 coats on it. But here we are. All right, so that did not work. Instead, we bought a trigger on Amazon, which is actually metal, and using this as a replacement, and this ended up working out really well, and this is my recommendation for a permanent fix for this. So if you're interested in how to actually take this apart, there's a previous video where I've actually replaced this, and also if you're looking for this particular part, I have an Amazon affiliate link in the description. But thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.